Hi, Nat.
Hi, baby.
What are we doing?
Right now, we're going kayaking in the Belize water.
It's Nat and Travis, and we're the Lacey's.
Right now, we are in the Belize rainforest, no kidding, in the foothills of some of the Mayan mountains. I'm going to flip the camera around so you can see. This is our group that we're on. It is. This is straight up Belizean jungle. We have just found a tarantula hole. We're walking on this trail, and the guide is going to try to fish out this tarantula. Let's get in for a closer look.
You're sensitive to vibration. It has some, they think it's an insect. It actually comes.
Another thing that is absolutely gorgeous about this rainforest is that this path is covered in all these fallen flowers off the trees. They're everywhere. Watch your step, baby. I gotta go through the steps too. Oh, that's easy.
What's up?
Here we are again, coming up to our third river crossing. Now we're walking through some wild sugar canes, and this is the path right here. It's literally as wide as your shoulders. Oddly enough, right now the bug situation is not too bad. I haven't seen any mosquitoes, but I heard that in other places mosquitoes are really bad. You're basically on the menu. So we got very fortunate.
You want me to touch it? It's this leaf right
So
here.
watch this. Nat's gonna touch this leaf,
It closes up.
and they close up. Touch the one next to it, and they automatically close up.
That's cool.
Isn't that cool?
See the meat part? Yeah! Right there. Nice little carrot.
What is it?
No.
Cahoon nut.
Okay.
From the Cahoon palm, longest fronds. 30 to 35 feet long. Right there.
Yeah, I want to try. I'm trying the cahoon nut.
What do you think?
It doesn't taste like anything.
Just
Maybe coconut?
sorry, I dropped the water. My turn to get to try some of this nut. See how it is. It has the consistency of like raw coconut. No taste.
No.
Literally
I thought
nothing.
it was just my COVID kicking in or something. I couldn't taste anything.
No, I mean, it's not bitter, not sweet, not chalky, nothing. So it actually comes this way.
You're gonna start going in.
Oh,
Start to go
we're going
inside.
that way. All right. Here we are in the cave. Absolutely gorgeous. There's the ceiling right there.
But take a look at where my laser light is going to be right on this white crystals right here. How it's gonna be when you make the cases. Boom, shakalaka. It takes you back like in disco mode.
There's also a ton of bats going in and out. I am. Sorry, brother. It's like an echo chamber. There's Nat. Try it, babe.
Like any hot-blooded woman, I have simply wanted an object to break.
Beautiful.